Hello everyone, welcome back to another channel. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I was really looking forward to filming this video because I bought a bunch of stuff that I may or may not need for the business. To be honest, I already unboxed them because I was really excited, but I forgot to film the intro. I just went straight to unboxing everything. I haven't started selling it yet and I'm already buying a bunch of stuff. I shall yap less and let's get on with it. I placed an order for my freebie stickers. It came yesterday and I was so excited to receive it. But I don't think they got the right shade of orange, unfortunately. But it's still really good. It's waterproof as well. Yeah, sick. I've got one on my water bottle already. And here are the thank you cards. It comes in a pack of 200, which is like the minimum amount of cards that I have to order. This is basically the packaging tape that I'm gonna use to package up my parcels. I got this from Sticker Mill and honestly this is like my favorite customized product. The printing is so clear, it's just great quality, I love it so much. Hi, good morning. It is nearly 12 PM now and I'm gonna start making some of my keycaps. I'm gonna make the actual Totoro and the blue and white one and also the cat bus. I don't know if I can finish off all of them today, but we'll see. I made these 4 months ago and I would like to say that my skill sets have definitely improved since then. These no-face ones that I made a couple weeks ago are a lot more polished. Look at how wonky these 4 details are. So yeah, we're gonna fix that today.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
So it is 12:30 a.m. now. I'm going to call it a night. I am so tired. I wanted to finish 4 keycaps today, but it's all good. I'll make the cat bus tomorrow. I'm gonna go check out my cat. Little Miso is still really tired from an anesthetic shot. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go play some games and I'm gonna call it a night. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
The ends